Today's word is fealty, spelled as Fealty. Fealty. What is the meaning of fealty? Fealty is a noun. Fealty is an old-fashioned and somewhat literary word that refers to intense loyalty or fidelity to a person, group, etc. More narrowly, fealty refers to the fidelity of a vassal or feudal tenant to their lord. Example of fealty in a sentence. Authors who inspire such fealty can guarantee a publisher good sales, no matter the quality of the books they write. Kneeling before the entire court, the knight pledged his fealty to the king. Fealty in context. Director Denis Villeneuve's Dune movies deserve admiration if only for their fealty and ambition. The filmmaker's respect for Frank Herbert's source material radiates from every frame of movies that feel as massive as they are minutely orchestrated. Synonyms of fealty: adhesion, allegiance, attachment, commitment, constancy, dedication, devotedness, devotion, faith, faithfulness, fastness, fidelity, loyalty, piety, steadfastness.